I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do, I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do.
What's up, everybody? Hey, from the intros. Smash my subscribe button. Don't worry, I'll wait. Want to see how I went from this to this using these? Then just keep on watching. I started out with my hair sectioned in 6 sections. Now, don't ask me did it end that way, because it didn't. But here I'm just spraying some water on to kind of open up my cuticles. And then I'm applying the protein power treatment. And I leave this in for 10 to 15 minutes as the instructions say. It also says on the instructions that you can use it as a pre-poo, so that's what I chose to do. So again, I'm using this as the pre-poo, and then I'll be using the conditioner from the line as the rinse out conditioner or after shampoo conditioner. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know how this feels when I come back. I'm about to rinse this out. I'm gonna feel good. So that was my pre-poo, if you will. So now I'm gonna shampoo. Let me just show y'all this real quick. I'm gonna show you this side.
A little slow.
Right here you just see me shampooing my hair. I only shampooed one time. I didn't shampoo more than once. My scalp was so sore, y'all. I had that sewing in for 3 months, so I'm sure y'all can understand that my scalp was sore. So doing this, me even rubbing it just now was But anyway, my hair felt pretty good. It felt pretty good. I should have just stopped here because that damn conditioner, it was the devil. I wish it was just, you know how I feel when you use like a clarifying shampoo and your hair, your scalp just be like, oh. My scalp don't feel like that, which is kind of what I would like coming out of a sew-in. But my hair feel good. My hair don't feel stripped. It gently cleanses. So I guess that's what it did. It gently cleansed my hair. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this.
Okay, listen. I'm not using this for heat styles, okay? So, if I read that, we're just gonna have to disregard it. Just pretend like you ain't even hear it, okay? Because I'm not gonna put no heat on my hair. Not right now.
You know what I'm saying. So, just act like the heat style part ain't even... Okay. Anyway, soft and detangle and infuse abused hair. 3 months of a sew-in. I feel like my hair has been abused. Okay, because my scalp is on fire. My scalp is sore, y'all. It's sore. Anyway, abuse hair with intensive moisture with this nutrient rinse out conditioner. Formulated with certified organic shea butter, Manuka honey, and yogurt in an ultra hydrating conditioner that smooths rough, dry cuticles, fights split ends, and restores vitality to dull, lackluster hair. Leaves hair feeling stronger and more resilient. Boom. That's what we need. So this time I'm gonna take the little top off.
Smarty over here forgot to do it for the shampoo.
Y'all see me just slathering this conditioner on. I'm just slathering it on, just thinking, oh, it's gonna be good. My hair gonna feel good, nice and elastic and moisturized. Y'all don't use this. I have used Alpha G 2-step protein treatment and my hair has felt better after using it. Don't use this unless you want a hard protein. My shit, excuse me, my hair felt like grass. My hair feel like I don't know. It ain't hard, but it feel streaky. Feel like how your hair would feel after you shampooed. But my hair didn't feel like this after I shampooed. So that conditioner.
Ooh, I don't know about that. I don't know about that conditioner. Yeah, I don't know about this.
So right here you see me reading about this leave-in, but the damage had already been done. It was just like putting pantyhose on a cactus, honey. After I put that conditioner in and rinsed it out, it wouldn't matter what this leave-in did. It wasn't gonna help it at all. So I'm spraying it on there just for the sake of the review, but I can't even give you a good review of the leave-in because that's just how bad my hair felt after the conditioner. Now, if you're somebody who's ever used Oil Handmade, Sugarberry pomade, or any of their pomades, okay, I use this the same way I used that, okay. Normally, I'll put my styler on, and then I'll use the pomade or the balm for my ends. So that's the same thing I did with this. Normally, when I use this BodyWorks Cocoa Shea Curl Defining Cream, my hair dries with a medium hold like it says. It's not a hard hold, it's not a soft hold. But using that balm or the pomade, when my hair dried, it dried really, 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 really soft. And I really don't really like that. I really like a hold. So just keep that in mind when you're styling. So this is the next day. I'm just unraveling. As you can see, I really don't have any hold to my hair at all. And I like hold. I prefer hold in definition. And I have none. And normally I have it with the Cocoa Shea Curl Defining Cream. So I think adding on that balm from the Shea Moisture line really added extra moisture to this. And that's why I have frizz and not too much definition. So in the future, I'm only using this if I just need extra moisture on my ends and not to seal or give me any type of definition, because there was none. My hair felt great. It felt really good, really moisturized, but it didn't help. Not that it was supposed to help with hold, but it kind of just canceled out the curl defining cream altogether. These are my finished results, guys. If I had to pick and choose what I would take and what I would leave from the line, I'd take the shampoo, the power treatment, and the balm. I'd get rid of the conditioner, and the conditioner was so bad I can't even speak on the leave-in. But that's it, everybody. Until next time.